Hi, and welcome to the video on the GCC extension for Business Central for repeat invoicing. So what do we mean by repeat, recurring or periodic invoicing? Well, it's setting up an invoice template in Business Central that has a frequency attached to it on how often that invoice should be raised. We can then run a batch against all those invoice templates that are due on a particular date. This is great for things like recurring support contracts that are raised on a monthly, quarterly or yearly or multi-yearly basis. Looking at Business Central, our repeat order list here is our extension. And these are all of the templates that have been set up. You can see that they have a frequency attached to them, 1 year, 1 month, 6 months, 1 quarter, 3 years, whatever this needs to be, when the invoice is next due, and when the original invoice was raised and how many times the invoices have been raised from this template. Also note that we can record dimensions in here as well. Going into one of these templates, we have the header record where we can record the customer information. Could be location codes, dimension codes as well, normal payment terms, when the first invoice is to be raised, when the last invoice is to be raised, if it's only across a certain amount of time, what period formula is using the standard formula dates within Business Central, and when the next invoice is due. You then add on as many lines as you need. Again, we can change the dimensions down here as well, and also we can apply deferral codes. Say this is a yearly invoice for a support contract. If we apply a deferral code, then it will automatically spread the income for this contract across the 12 months, doing all of your accruals for you. Once we have our invoice template set up, then we just simply need to come up to Actions, Generate Invoices. It will then sweep through based on the next invoice date and create sales invoices for those templates. So a very quick way in being able to not only generate those invoices on a regular basis, saving lots of rekeying time, but also gives you a control over how many repeating invoices you have and when they are occurring. Plus, if you run Power BI reports on this, you can analyze out, in this instance, your support contract income into various states, and also means you don't forget to invoice them when you should be invoicing them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget we also have loads of information on Business Central on our website, and some other videos and recorded seminars and a dummies guide for Dynamics 365 if you wish to take a look at those. But thank you for watching.